Welcome to our guide on UAN allotment and activation through the Umang app. This video is designed for employees and individuals who need to manage their universal account number easily and efficiently. By watching this video, you will gain a clear understanding of the process, learn how to troubleshoot common issues, and ultimately save time and effort in managing your Provident Fund accounts. Let's get started. First, let's understand the UAN allotment process. Your Universal Account Number, or UAN, is a 12-digit number allotted to every employee contributing to the Employees Provident Fund, or EPF. It acts as an umbrella for multiple member IDs allotted to an individual by different employers. To successfully allot your UAN, you'll need to have your Aadhaar number linked to your mobile number, your permanent account number, or PAN, details, and bank account information readily available. These are crucial for verification and ensuring a smooth process. Now, for the step-by-step guide to UAN allotment through the Umang app, open the Umang app and search for EPFO. Select Employee-Centric Services and then Know Your UAN. Enter your mobile number linked with Aadhaar and complete the OTP verification. If your UAN is not allotted, follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the allotment by providing your Aadhaar and other required details. Once submitted, your UAN will be allotted and displayed. Once your UAN is allotted, the next crucial step is activation. Activating your UAN allows you to access various online services provided by the Employees Provident Fund Organization, or EPFO, such as checking your EPF balance, downloading your passbook, and initiating claims. Here's how to activate your UAN using the Umang app. On the Umang app, go back to the EPFO section and select Activate UAN. Enter your UAN, member ID, mobile number, and Aadhaar number. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number for verification. Enter the OTP to complete the activation. Once activated, you can set a password for future logins to the EPFO portal through Umang. Sometimes, you might encounter issues during allotment or activation. Common problems include incorrect details, Aadhaar mobile linkage issues, or server errors. Always double-check your entered information. For Aadhaar linkage issues, visit an Aadhaar enrollment center. If it's a server issue, try again after some time or during off-peak hours. The Umang app also provides an FAQ section that can be very helpful. If you need further assistance, there are several channels available. You can contact the EPFO customer care or visit the nearest EPFO office. The Umang app also has a dedicated help and support section. In conclusion, the Umang app simplifies the UAN allotment and activation process, making it convenient for you to manage your Provident Fund accounts from anywhere. By following these steps, you can ensure your UAN is active and accessible, granting you control over your EPF services. Now that you know how to allot and activate your UAN, why not try it yourself? Download the Umang app today and take control of your EPF services with ease. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more useful guides, and share it with anyone who might benefit.